Hey folks, I wish you were here with me today to really appreciate the quality of this car in person. I assure you it's better than how it even presents itself. It's a body off frame rotisserie restoration. It's better than when it was new, beautifully restored, and it's one of our less expensive cars, believe it or not. Performance 355 motor under the hood, a 4-speed 373 posi, leather deluxe interior, beautiful original color. Go to volocars.com where we have 200 cars all for sale. Each one will have a price tag and a monthly payment, including this one. But for right now, join me. Let's go for a spin. Yeah, every inch of this body is laser straight. I've just been around it the last half hour. I don't see dimples, waves, anything funny at all. It is straight. It has the metal cowl hood that fits beautifully. All this is fantastic. The fender, outstanding, absolutely straight, clean, all beautiful, clean, straight metal. All right around the wheel well here. At the very bottom, look at the reflection. It's like a mirror. Lines are nice and crisp. It does have the spoiler. They painted it gloss black. That's not the way they were, but I like it. I really do. And again, the paint, the body, way down here, it's all slick. Tripoli turquoise is the name of the color. That is the color that's on the tag. The metallic is laid out evenly. The clear coat is just polished like smooth glass. All of this is beautiful. Clean, straight, square. All lines up real nicely. All right down to the bottom of the fender. So the body and paint, I will say, is nicer than when it was new. It wouldn't have been polished that smooth originally. The black stripe, you don't even feel it. You wouldn't even know it's there unless you've seen it. All of the chrome is sparkling. The emblems, the bumper, the trim around the grill, even the wiper arms are shiny. Not only new stainless, but it's polished. It looks like chrome. The windshield's crystal clear. It has mirrors on both sides, the rain gutters, all been replaced. Now it's the Rally Sport, and that's the hideaway headlights. Those are working properly. The Rally Sport also includes this extra trim up on top here, and that's new, and it's shiny and straight. The vinyl top is new. It's been replaced. The rear window is a very good original window. 15-inch Rally wheels wrapped in BF Goodrich tires, extra wide in back. Got a little bit of a stance, nice muscle car look. And then back here it has the RS gas cap, tail lights, bumper. All this is new. And the Rally Sport has the reverse lights relocated down here. On a non-Rally Sport, they're built into the tail light. So really outstanding, beautiful car with excellent fit and finish. Let's open it up. It's just as good inside and under the hood. All right, let's look inside the trunk compartment. Well, under the trunk lid, painted real nice and clean, and so is the jamb. Weather strip is replaced. Inside is spotless metal with a spatter finish. So nice and clean. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. Click the bell icon. You'll be notified as the new videos are posted. We're getting a lot of really great cars and a lot of fun content. This is a deluxe interior. Oh yeah, the door jambs, they're exceptionally nice. They're painted real slick. Weather strips, window seals, they're all replaced. That's a deluxe interior, so it has the molded door panels. They are new. The window cranks, the trim looks new on them as well. The metal, oh, the horn works. The metal is painted turquoise. The knobs, the vents are shiny and new. The dash pad is new. This whole instrument bezel looks new. All this is super nice and clean. It has a retro digital stereo and all real nice and clean. New glove box liner. Kick panels real nice. Carpets, we got black floor mats, but underneath there the carpets are real fresh. Factory center console with a Hearst 4-speed, and it has reproduction They didn't cut corners. Nice reproduction chrome GM seat belts. They could have bought much cheaper seat belts or left the originals. Now this is where they didn't cut corners. The seats are all rebuilt, recushioned. They're reupholstered in genuine leather. So somebody made these, and it has turquoise stitching. So these are custom made for this car. I can only imagine what that costs compared to just a vinyl set of already made seat covers. And it is the correct pattern. Same thing back here. All nice, firm, and plump. Genuine leather, reproduction seat belts. It even has turquoise stitching on the armrest. And then I'm going to show you something that you might not have ever seen before. It has an optional fold-down back seat. Yeah, that is a factory option. You don't see it very often. Back here, everything is new. The trim's all painted. The sail panels are nice and smooth. They're not wrinkled. Same thing with the headliner. The dome light works, but you've seen in the glove box there is a new one if you ever want to change that out. Real simple. The headliner and visors are new, and so is the mirror. Just notice the backs of the seats are new. Upgraded with a walnut steering wheel with a working horn. All right, let's check out the motor. Good looking car. Everyone loves the color. So that's a 350 motor that's been bored out to a 355, spunky little bugger. It has a hotter cam. It has aluminum heads, aluminum intake. And that's a giant dual feed Holley carburetor. Has a fast HEI ignition with a billet distributor. And a set of coated headers down there. And you'll see everything in here. Nice, clean, proper. Heater hoses are run the way they should. Fender supports look new. All the metal's nice and smooth. Has a proper shroud. Has billet brackets with a serpentine belt. It's got an aluminum timing cover. All of this apparatus here is for the vacuum headlights. You can see it all looks new. Even the squirters and the washer bottle are hooked up. It does feature power steering and all new power brake setup. The lines and master and cadmium plated booster. The squirters are hooked up. Even has hood insulation. Then the motor itself is dressed up nice with this match set of breather, valve covers, and air cleaner. So now you see what I mean. It's a really nice car. Michael's going to show you how nice it runs.
Everybody, we got an absolutely gorgeous Camaro to drive here today. This thing is sweet. Not every day at the museum we get one of these colors, I'll tell you that. And they really took it the extra step there with the genuine leather interior done up like the deluxe interior. Just feels fantastic. It literally smells like one of the Wilson leather stores inside here. Great build. 355 started up real easy for me. Got a real good idle. A little bit of lobe to the cam there. Great sounding exhaust with the X-pipe. And yeah, let's see what this 355's got. Just like that, we're doing 60 miles an hour. Nice performer, no shortage of power. Yeah, they built that 355 up, that's for sure. Got those aluminum heads on there. yeah, you can feel that it's got it going on. Real nice rubber. I really like this, the you know, natural wood steering wheel that they got too. It's got the grooves on the back, nice fat grip. Great car. Somebody's gonna have a real nice ride and look super cool sporting it around town there. So go on and check out all the details online, and you're always welcome to come take it for a test drive. We'd love to see you down at the museum.
Underneath is really nice, clean, fresh, proper. He said they did a rotisserie restoration, so I know it's just a subframe, but everything got removed from under the car. So that body got flipped on a rotisserie. That's why everything looks so good. They could work on it from every angle. The floors are spotless. They're painted nice semi-gloss black. All the suspension and steering completely redone, all the bushings, it all looks fresh. Up front has new coilover adjustable gas shocks. In back it has air shocks, the little nozzles in the trunk. The whole fuel system replaced, the tank, the lines, the brake system's completely redone, the disc brakes, the calipers up front, all that looks new. The brake lines, the e-brake assembly even looks new. It is drum and back. Nice custom exhaust, looks like fat pipe. With an X pipe goes the Flowmaster mufflers, and then it goes all the way out the back there. So all that looks fresh, clean, properly installed. Looking up at the motor, it's spotless Chevy orange. Has a high torque starter. The Muncie 4-speed transmission was just completely rebuilt. The Hurst linkage looks new. The drive shaft is restored, and it goes back to a rebuilt 373 posi and a 12-bolt rear end. So again, this car is really, really nice. If you're the type of person that wants that type of quality, that you can just open the garage door and be proud of it, go to car shows, go get ice cream, and just be super proud of the car without spending over $100,000. This is a nice choice, and you will get compliments on this color. Go to volocars.com. Salesmen will help answer your questions, like how to get your Camaro Rally Sport delivered home. If you need financing, they'll help with that too. Thanks for watching.